Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Arya and I'll bring everyday news for all of you. As of yesterday, 1,72,877 new cases were reported all over India. This is the fourth consecutive day when number of cases are below 2 lakhs. This is a very good sign. As of yesterday, 21.13 active cases were there all over India. Till yesterday, 20.89 crore Indians got vaccinated. Still, 5 states which account for almost 50% of the cases are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. Yesterday, 1,038 new cases were reported in Mumbai, and in Delhi, 956 new cases were reported. In both these cities, the number of cases are reduced due to continuing lockdown. Kerala government extended lockdown till June 9. Goa government extended lockdown till June 7. Modi government on Saturday said all children who have lost either both their parent or single parent, then single parent or a legal guardian or adoptive parents to COVID-19 will receive financial assistance from PM CARES for Children scheme. PM CARES will contribute through a specially designed scheme to create a corpus of rupees 10 lakh for each child when he or she reaches the age of 18. Between the age of 18 to 23, they will be given financial assistance or a stipend, and when they reaches the age of 23, entire corpus will be given to them. Children below the age of 10 years will be given admission to Kendriya Vidyalaya or in private school, and the private school fees will be paid by PM CARES. While children from the age group 11 to 18 years will be given admission to central government residential schools like Sainik School, etc. And those children who do not want to use this facility will be given admission in Kendriya Vidyalaya or private schools, and the private school fees will be paid by PM CARES fund. Similar financial assistance are announced by various state government also for the children who lost either two parents or one parent. This will help all these children who lost either both their parent or single parent to continue their education, and also they will get enough corpus when they reach age of 23 so that they can also continue with higher studies also. Yesterday being Saturday, stock market was closed, hence there are no news related to stock market. Country's forex reserve reaches a record high of $592.89 billion. Bank of Baroda, one of the leading public sector bank in India, reported a standalone loss of 1,047 crore for the last quarter of 2021. Rest of Indian Premier League, that is IPL matches, will be played in United Arab Emirates during the month of September-October 2021. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.